Did you know you can change the email address associated with your YouTube channel? Most people get this wrong by thinking it requires creating a whole new Google account. The truth is, it's actually simple if you know where to look. First, sign into YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Manage Your Google Account. Here, you're not just changing YouTube settings, you're updating the email tied to your Google account, which also changes your YouTube login. Next, go to the Personal Info tab. Under Contact Info, click Email. Depending on your account type, you might see the option to edit your Gmail address or add an alternate email. If your account is linked to Gmail, Google generally doesn't allow changing the primary Gmail address, but you can add a recovery or alternate email that becomes your login for notifications and recovery. The surprising truth is that many creators assume they must delete their channel to change emails. In reality, adding an alternate email lets you receive all communications and even switch login credentials without losing your channel, subscribers, or history. After entering your new email, Google will send a verification link. Click the link to confirm, and your changes are complete. Make sure to update any third-party apps connected to your channel with the new email to avoid login issues. In short, changing your YouTube email is straightforward if you follow the right steps. You won't have to recreate your channel or lose any data. Just verify your new email. If this tutorial helped you update your YouTube email safely, subscribe for more step-by-step guides and creator tips.